Lesson 46, Liking and Disliking. Read and listen to these three people talking about likes and dislikes. I'm a lifelong fan of U2. They're my all-time favorite band. In addition to the sheer enjoyment, pure pleasure, of listening to their music, I'm also a great admirer of Bono and his philanthropic work. He's concerned not only with the fleeting pleasure, momentary enjoyment, of fame and fortune, but also with making a difference in the world. I hold him in the highest regard, have great respect for him, for this reason. When my daughter was a baby, I noticed that she developed a particular liking for classical music, and when she was 6, I signed her up for violin classes. It was a real pleasure to see her obvious enjoyment of the lessons. She grew quite attached, strongly like or love over time, to her teacher, who says that she has the potential to turn her great love of music into a professional career. Now my daughter is 13, and lately she's expressed a clear preference for the most difficult pieces of music. She says she wants a challenge. I took an instant dislike to Sam from the moment we were introduced. Within 5 minutes he was talking about his deep dislike of foreigners, without knowing that my own parents were immigrants from Argentina. He said he had nothing but contempt, only hate, for people who abandoned their own countries to come to ours, and then began making horribly racist jokes and comments. I have no idea where Sam's blind or irrational hatred without a logical reason, of foreigners comes from, but he seems to have developed a strong aversion, developed an intense dislike, to interacting with anyone who's the slightest bit different from him. I try to be polite, but deep down I hate him with a passion. Hate him a lot. Now listen and repeat to practice your pronunciation of the collocations in this lesson. A lifelong fan. All-time favorite. Sheer enjoyment. A great admirer. Fleeting pleasure. Hold him in the highest regard. Developed a particular liking for. A real pleasure. Obvious enjoyment. Grew quite attached. Great love. A clear preference. Took an instant dislike. Deep dislike. Had nothing but contempt. Blind or irrational hatred. Developed a strong aversion. Hate him with a passion. Take the quiz to practice the collocations about liking and disliking.